we just finished. Sorry. We just finished shooting our video today, and it was 2 hours of really strenuous workout on my arms, and I'm about to do some active recovery. So I would share this with you as well. So there's a couple of movements that I do with my arms and my wrists to make sure that I do a bit of an active cool down and so that it release any strain or tightness in them. So the first one I do is basically wrist rotations. So you can do them either singularly like so, in an outwards movement or an inwards movement, or I clasp my hands together like in a prayer grip, and then I do them together. So you roll clockwise, anti-clockwise, just to kind of get a bit of mobility and blood flowing back into your hands. The next thing I do is kind of forearm stretches. So a couple of ways. One, the first way is where I just put my hand out front, palm facing outside, and just tug a little bit on it, not too much. Remember, there needs to be a bit of a kind of stretch on your top forearm here, but not too much that it hurts, okay? So kind of know your body and listen to your body. Do this, and then we also do it the opposite way, palms facing you. So you can stretch the top of your forearm here, like so. And then you repeat it with the other side. Palms down, facing out, and then palms in, facing you. Like this. And then last but not least, just give it a bit of a shake. Remember, this is an active recovery, so you're not just totally relaxing and being all kind of loose and all that. Your body still needs to cool down a little bit, so make sure that you're using your muscles and engaging them still in all active recovery. And that was it. How's that? That's great!